In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your eBay account permanently. Whether you're moving on to other platforms or simply no longer need your account, we're going to walk through every step to make sure the process is smooth and easy to understand. We begin by heading over to eBay's website at ebay.com. Once there, log in using your account credentials. This is your starting point, and from here, you'll have access to all the necessary tools to begin the account closure process. Next, navigate to your account settings. This can sometimes vary based on the layout, but typically you will find your name either at the top left or top right of your screen. Click on your name and a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, you'll see an option labeled Account Settings. Click on that and you'll be directed to a new page where all your account specifics are located. Now we need to find the option for closing your account. You can do this by browsing under the Help or Account sections and searching for Close Account. This should lead you to further information on how to proceed. Alternatively, if you prefer a more direct approach, you can head straight to eBay's Close Account Request page. Before proceeding, it's crucial to make sure your account is in good standing. This means ensuring there are no open transactions. Double check to confirm there are no unpaid fees, items awaiting shipment, pending returns, or any other unsettled activities. It's important that all obligations are cleared, as this could hinder the closure process. If your account is clear, you're ready to submit the request to close it. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. These steps will involve confirming that you indeed want to close your account. An optional part of this process is providing eBay with feedback on why you're closing your account. It's completely up to you whether you wish to share this information. After submission, eBay will begin to review your account. It's part of their procedure to ensure everything is properly settled before they delete your account permanently. Most of the time, this review leads to your account being closed within 30 days. However, if you've engaged in transactions recently, it might take up to 60 days to ensure everything is wrapped up neatly. And there you have it. While the exact time frame can vary based on account activity, your account closure request will eventually lead to the complete and permanent deletion of your eBay account. Remember to double check everything before initiating this process, as once your account is closed, it cannot be reopened. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide